Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Free File for tax prep on rental income, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by opening your web browser.
In the address bar, type in irs.gov and press enter.
Once the IRS homepage loads, look for the search bar. Type Free File into the search bar and hit enter.
From the search results, find and click on the link that says Free File Online File Options. On the Free File page, scroll down to find the section for rental property income or similar wording.
Click on the link that corresponds to online services suitable for rental income. You will be directed to a list of IRS-approved tax preparation software providers. Select a provider that offers free file services based on your income eligibility. Once you click on your chosen provider, you will be taken to their website. Look for the option to create an account or log in.
If you are a new user, click on Sign Up or Create Account.
Fill in the required personal information to set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity, such as answering security questions. After logging in successfully, you will reach your account dashboard. Locate and select the option to start a new tax return. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your rental income and expenses. Make sure to provide all necessary documentation and details for accurate reporting.
Review your entries for any errors or omissions before proceeding.
Once you are satisfied with the information, continue to submit your return. Follow any final steps outlined by the software to complete the filing process. Keep a copy of your filed return for your records.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.